What tools are already in place that they're using today. So a great example for us is we already had tools in place to inventory our assets. That is not something we wanted to reinvent. There was enormous value for us in terms of leveraging that existing infrastructure. And so by plugging into that, we trigger our privacy process based on steps that those teams already had to take. So when they complete their inventory, immediately privacy is integrated into that process. There's no bypassing the privacy process.